Hi everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ginagawa natin reaction video, ang Dawnbell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to? Wait.
Yung birthday mo.
Is that Dr. Vicky Bello? Oh my God, yung mga ting...
1 week yung birthday mo.
24. Ay, si Dr. Vicky nga.
I celebrated it
Bago nga.
with my family. Yeah.
Ganda niya talaga,
I think
yeah.
this is the longest celebration ever.
Ganda niya talaga, no?
Since
Yeah.
the promo day started, kinakantahan na nila ako.
Ay,
ng-
talaga.
Nung May pa.
Because you are
Hanggang ngayon,
loved.
kinakantahan pa rin ako
Diba?
ng birthday. So,
Because you are loved. Ay, tapos na pala yun. What's next? Ay, Pacific Mister. Beyond the budget is budgeting. Solid ang casting.
Yan, kuya pa, pakatagal mo pa naman mag-ayos. Pabalik-balik
Ay,
ka
ang
dito sa
haba
salamin
nito. Ay, wait, what is this? Sweet naman ang ganyan ba talaga? Kailangan lagi nagkirigil sa tawan, huwag yakapan. True. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, Donbell? Nispeto naman, no? Nispeto naman sa amin.
Ang lahat ng Donbell fans at lahat ng nagustuhan yung movie na hindi sila bigyan ng kasunod.
Hindi pa namin alam.
Congratulations.
Hindi ko maano.
Millionaire.
Ano yung tanong?
Matitiis, di ba? Ang lahat ng
Matitiis.
Donbell fans at lahat ng nagustuhan yung movie na hindi sila bigyan ng kasunod.
Ay,
Hindi pa namin alam.
oo, magpapahinga pa sila. Magpapahinga pa sila. Ay, ito talaga yun eh. Diyos ko, sa statement na pala sila magka-comeback for today's video. Diyos, sana hindi na lang ako umiyak-iyak. May comeback naman pala pagdating sa stapler. Diyos. Iba ang chemistry niya dito. At sila ang pinakamahabang airtime, if I'm not mistaken. Ang alam ko. Kasi ang haba ng kanila eh. Oh, sa stapler lang palang may comeback eh. Yun lang. Chari! Yan ang sinasabi ko. Ikaw lang tayo. Okay. Ay, hello. Ang cute ni Lola. Super sipag din talaga mag-attend. Pag may very super guys, wala na ulit. Ay, si Lola. Cutie. Charis. Charis. Donnie. Sino yung mga babae dyan tumatawag Donnie? Ba't parang yung lambing? Alam mo yung ina-artihan na ang lambing? I love it. Charis. Donnie.
Let's do pick-up
Ano yung cup niya? New Year kicks. Oh my God. Imagine yun yung baby talk with Belle. Belle. Just, naalala ko. Belle. Guwapo mo. Anyways. Oo.
How young are you?
1 week yung birthday mo.
Yes. It's fun. I celebrated it this night. With my family. Yeah. Thank
With
you.
my
I think this is the
family.
longest celebration I've ever had. Since the promo day started, kinakantahan na nila ako ng happy
Nung
birthday.
May pa.
Nung May pa. Hanggang ngayon, kinakantahan pa rin ako ng happy birthday. So, thank
Okay. Ay. Okay. Ay my God, what is this? Damang-dama ang yakan pag in love. Totoo. Actually, kahit hindi nga sila magkadikit, tinginan lang. Tinginan lang nila, sapat na. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Chares. Wait. Yung nakabili ka ng Dunkin para sa passes kay Belle, tapos nanalo ka sa pick-up, then nauna pala event sa pick-up, tapos di ka abot sa Dunkin, ha? Ang gulo, ha?
Hello everyone.
Hala, Dunkin. Na-miss ko mag-Dunkin ha.
Grabe, parang first box screening ko to in a while. Thank you so much, of course, to Duncan and to those
Dunkin.
Dati,
Ay, ito,
pag nag-interview ako,
Ito,
nung wala
ito.
pa akong ayon, hindi ko pa ako naka-experience ng ganito. Yung, naiinis ako pag ayaw mag-share ng guest. Yung kahit yung simpleng, kayo na ba? Or anong nangyari? Hindi ko naiintindihan kasi parang arte naman ito, di ba? Guest pa ayaw naman mag-share. Nung naranasan ko na siya na parang, kaya pala hindi sinishare
Ang arte naman
lahat.
ito.
Kasi masarap din sa pakiramdam na kayo lang ang nakaranas at may alam ng mga bagay na yun.
Kahit sa mga
Yeah, that's why
concert,
even us when we're always asked that.
pag
diba? It's
nanonood
always a
ako,
question.
may mga videos
Ano
talaga
ba?
na hindi ko sinishare
Kamusta?
kasi
Tapos
parang gusto ko
nandun.
masarap
Kami
lang
kasi
sa mata ko
parang
lang.
ang dami na naming pinagdaanan.
Parang ganon.
And we have also never revealed anything because, you know, it's something that was, you know, we cherish. It's something very special to both of us. And I think we've gone through so much to understand that parang we mean so much to each other. And while we want other people to still have a say in like whatever it is that happened, that is happening. Yung ganon.
Dati,
Okay.
pag nag-interview ako, nung
Ay, is there many reason together to get used to each other? Feeling ko din, maniwisip talaga nila. Maniwisip ni Belle yung palaging nakadikit kay Don, yung kamay, yung gabi na amoy niya talaga. Ano yung amoy ni Donnie? Lalo kung bago pa. Lalo na kung bagong what you call this, bagong laro ng basketball, natural scent, no? Ay! Hello? Diyos ko, pag itong mga kanta na naalala ko naman yung mga kiss-kiss nila. Diyos! Yung mga kiss nila for today's video. Ay, ano to? Wow, namimiss ko yung ganitong ganap. Ay! Ano? Sino yun? Kilala niya yun? Ano? Ayan na. Aliw si Belle. Okay. Anyway.
Pero kasi, that's the thing it's a question na, are you in love with me or are you in love with the thought of me?
Wow.
Diba? So,
Copy.
why? It's true. It's true.
Grabe, nakakagulat naman to mga to.
It's true because some people lang are staying in the relationship for the sake of it because you're in love with the routine, you're in love with the thought of like, hey, this could be us or the potential of the relationship. But are you really in love with the person? And that's a question we should all like in a relationship ask ourselves. Are we really in love with that person that we're with more than what we can be?
Wow. Nasashock ako sa inyo dalawa.
Pero kasi, that's the thing it's a question na, are you in love with me or are you in love with the thought of me?
Wow.
Are you
Diba?
in love with the thought of
So,
me? Grabe, no?
why? It's
Grabe. Anyway, so this is our for today's video from Don Bell Compilation. This is Kibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.